Okay, have you ever wondered who invented the typewriter? Here we go. Christopher Latham Sholes. Sholes was a US mechanical engineer who invented the first practical modern typewriter, patented in 1868. Sholes invented the typewriter with partners S. W. Soule and G. Gideon. Glidden. One of those. That was manufactured by the Remington Arms Company in 1873. He was born on February 14th, 1819 in Pennsylvania and died on February 17th, 1890 in Milwaukee. Before the computer, the typewriter may have been the most significant everyday business tool. Christopher Latham Sholes and his colleagues, Carlos Glidden and Samuel Soule, invented the first practical typewriter machine in 1866. 5 years, dozens of experiments, and 2 patents later, Sholes and his associates produced an improved model of similar to today's typewriters. The type bar system and the universal keyboard were the machine's novelty, but the keys jammed easily. To solve the jamming problem, another business associate, James Densmore, suggested splitting up the keys for letters commonly used together to slow down typing. This became today's standard QWERTY keyboard. So I'm assuming they're talking about how they spread the letters across the board. Sholes lacked the patience required to market the new product and sold the rights to Densmore. He, in turn, convinced Philo Remington to market the device. The first Sholes and Gideon typewriter was offered for sale in 1874, but was not an instant success. A few years later, improvements made by Remington engineers gave the machine its market appeal and sales skyrocketed. Wow, you'd feel pretty bad being the guy who gave away the rights, eh? Especially since they took off so well. Okay, cool.